If you're looking for a gun holster that requires no drilling or any permanent modification, this is our solution right here. So you've got a gun holster that straps to the seat, to the base of your seat, and it fits in any vehicle. All it is your gun holster in the front and 2 straps that go underneath the seat and 1 on top. This is the gun holster you're going to be throwing in the vehicle. You've got your locking strap, and then you've got the holster, whether you're left or right-handed, or you want to draw at an angle. You can custom tailor it to yourself. You put your locking strap on top of it after you've put in your gun, so you can mold that nicely to your gun just for the first time. That way your firearm sits nice and snug in the car when you're driving. So traditionally, your gun holster is gonna come like this with a buckle at the top for the opening of your gun, so it would go in. Because this truck seat is so long, we've got this buckle pretty much where you would sit. So therefore, we're gonna take this off and turn it 180. So now this is going to be our top strap that doesn't have a buckle on. So this buckle will go underneath the seat and this one will go over the top. So we'll feed this through the back of the seat. We'll push that through the back of the seat. And then we're going to take this buckle and get a clear path underneath the bottom of the seat and then pull it out from the back. To make things easier, raise the seat so you have a clear path underneath the seat, and please make sure you're not obstructing any wires underneath your seat. So now that you're in the back seat and you've got both buckles, this is how you strap them. So that we need to get this strap really tight. It doesn't matter where this is on the seat, whether it's on the top or the bottom. Don't worry about the positioning for this. We can adjust it later. The most important part is we get this buckle tight. So you're going to want to come through the first one into the second one, and then get that really tight. And then you're gonna wanna feed it back through the first one. That way this really locks it in place and it's not gonna come loose. As you can see, this is not the optimal position for the gun holster, but now we're gonna move it to the bottom side of the seat, to where we want it. Usually you'd be sitting here when you put your firearm in, but your firearm goes in there. Now, when you climb in and out of the truck, it doesn't obstruct you. You haven't made any permanent modifications to your truck. And when you really need it, hopefully you don't, it's right there in between your legs. So if you want one of these awesome gun holsters, head over to primoworkz.com and check them out. We also have these badass armrests if you want one of those too for your vehicle.